One container of strawberries, maximum two per person container to enter. Ah, okay. Ayan. So ayan guys, nagbayad tayo ng 30 reals. So guys, yan. Pasok tayo dito at nagbayad ako ng 30 reals para mamitas ng mga fresh vegetables. Strawberries. Ang ganda dito. Let's go guys, tingnan natin. Samahan niyo ako sa aking adventure ngayon. Mamimitas kami ng fresh strawberries.
A few moments later.
Ayan, so ayan guys, mamimitas tayo ng strawberry. Ayan, papasok tayo dito sa loob. Ayan, so guys, we are inside the strawberry farm. Look. Wow! Very nice. Grabe, ang ganda. Ayan guys, oh. Ang daming strawberries. Only in Qatar. Yan. Yan, kita nyo guys. Plenty of strawberries. Fresh strawberries. Grabe. One of the best experience na naman to. Yan to guys, ang daming mga dito na kasama namin na namimitas ng strawberry. Yan o, grabe. Ang ganda pala dito guys. Talagang meron palang strawberry sa Qatar. Although very hot. Nakapag-produce sila ng strawberry dito. Ang ganda. Ang daming mga dito. I love this one. You guys, I want to taste what's the taste of this.
Oh my God!
Medyo maasim pero masarap siya. Ayun guys, so yan. Marami na akong napipitas. Yang for 30 reals, it's sulit to have fun and indulge with vegetables, with fruit.
1 hour later.
Okay, so guys, ito na yung napitas ko dito. Tingnan nyo, oh, fresh na strawberry. Dito lang yan sa North Sidra Farm, kaya pag punta kayo dito, pasyal kayo dito. Ang saya dito. Yan, oh. Guys. Guys, so, kain ako. Sarap. Sarap ng lasa. Natural, very natural. Ayan guys, yan. Pitas naman kita. O, diba? O, yan, o. We take care here. And, is in charge of the strawberry farm. See? So I want to taste one. See? Wow, delicious. Very delicious. Fresh strawberry. So come and have fun here. Only here in North Sidra Farm. Yes guys. See? I am here in North Sidra Farm. Picking fresh strawberries. See? Very nice and it's tasty. Thank you.
2 hours later.
So ayan guys, look at the farm, no? Look at the way Qatar produce their farm. Ayan, it's inside the nursery. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Talagang mayroon pang, exhaust. Ayan. Talagang naka-enclose talaga yung mga halaman dito. Dahil sa sobrang init, nakalagay talaga sila sa loob ng nursery. So, ayan guys. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Tara guys, tingnan natin kung ano mayroon dito. Ayan. Kamatis ulit dito sa loob na to. Nursery. Kamatis ulit yung nakalagay dito.
2,000 years later.